Hi everyone, it's Norma and welcome back to my home. Today I'm sharing with you part 2 of my Halloween decorate. So I'm decorating this two-tier tray, which I can never say. I did try to decorate it for fall and it was a disaster. So I ordered a kit from Amazon that was a tiered tray decorating kit, and it seems to work a lot better. I was really happy with the way it looks. And I just lay down this spooky cloth that I got from Family Dollar. I actually used it last year also, or the year before last, so it has the spiders glued onto it, so I'm kind of trying to arrange it so it'll look nice and I don't have to peel off the spiders. My cousin Irma got me these pumpkins from Kirkland's. I think they're so pretty. But this is the way everything looks once I'm done moving it all around. Okay, so now we're moving on to the bookshelves. This is a different day, as you can tell by the t-shirt. And I have a little helper. This is my goddaughter, Chloe, and we had so much fun putting this together. She gets to pick the background on the TV, and I let her put some things up that she wanted also. But I struggle with the bookshelves. I don't want them to be too cluttered, but I don't want them to not just to look empty, so I kind of have to move things around quite a bit until I'm happy. But I am, after it's all said and done, I am happy with the way everything turned out. And here I'm just picking and choosing and taking off the things that I don't think I'm going to use for Halloween. And I had forgotten about the crown. Chloe asked me to wear it for the video, but I was going to take it off before I started filming, but then I forgot I was wearing it, so I guess I'm a princess today. And here I am, struggling with some spooky cloth again. And I didn't notice either, but my dog was trying to take the ghost garland, and Chloe saved the day. She took it away from her. So here on my channel, I like to make videos about making my home better and happier, and I like to do cooking, cleaning, decorating, things like that. So if you like that type of content, I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. I love making new friends here on YouTube, and I love getting to know you in the comments. So feel free to leave a comment. I would love to get to know you. And even though we had such a great time, trying to decorate with the 3-year-old around is a little bit exhausting. I don't know how you mamas do it with those little babies. And this is what I came up with. And then here's some close-ups of everything. And I didn't really do too much to this bookshelf. I just added the Darth Vader pumpkin, some spiders, and some kind of a bug in a cage. So my little helper had to go home and take a nap, so I'm working on the bathroom by myself. My sister made those little bats for me. She made them on her Cricut and brought them over. I thought that was so sweet. And we even decorated a little bit outside. and two of my niece's little girls, Charlotte and Cora, came over after school to see what they could help with.